ulit si Sophie sa akin. So, tapos na yung playgroup nila. So, yeah. Si Sophie, every Tuesday. Where's your backpack? Yeah, I'll get it later. So, yun. So, si Sophie, dito siya sa akin every Tuesday tsaka Wednesday kasi yung nana and pa niya nasa Queensland. So, yeah, for the meantime, ako muna magbabantay sa kanya. Ayan. Tapos, habang sila'y kumakain, ako naman ay i-divide ko to. Ilalagay ko to sa, freezer bag. Tapos ilalagay ko siya sa freezer kasi ito yung mga pinamili ko kahapon, di ba? So, yeah. Isi-segregate. Ano ko na siya, ihiwa-hiwalay para madali lang yung pagluto ko kung ilan lang ang kailangan ko para hindi ko siya ilabas lahat. So, kasi di ba sa atin sa Philippines, hindi ko alam. Sa amin, si mama ang ginagawa pag magluluto siya, ilalabas niya lahat, tapos madidefrost lahat, tapos ibabalik niya yung iba. Mali yun daw. So, don't. Kasi yung bacteria raw, mapupunta dun sa karne o sa isda. So, yeah. Why? Why there's a blood?
Because of the chicken.
That's right.
Mom, what's around this? Is this when you
That's
wash
chicken
your
breast.
hands?
Yes, that's an alcohol.
And what else is that?
Drumstick and then chicken
No,
breast.
look where I put my towel.
Well, make sure it's not gonna.
It's never falls that time.
No, maybe it's gonna rain, Baba.
Okay.
Okay.
Your hand. No.
Okay, hop down, please.
I'm gonna go outside. Mommy, how
You have to spray, not here because mommy's. You can spray on mommy's food.
Where's my broom?
Come on.
Milk.
You what? Probably there somewhere.
The doodle is that.
This is not babango. This is
That is.
alcohol. To clean your. Where's Holly?
Harry, Harry.
Need a window.
All right, come here, guys. Jackson, please. Look, Mum helped you.
Okay, go. Careful.
Start building a house for you. Okay?
Yucky. No, don't put that again. Big long stick at the top. See? What's that one then? Good girl. Not here, only here. There you go. Here. Trace the dot.
Mama,
Good girl.
I
Go. Here, here.